Hello everyone, this is my protection kit that I used during COVID-19 period and I still keep continue to use it for my crowd area or public area. Okay, firstly I would like to introduce myself. I'm Mandy. I'm not a professional in this related field. I'm just a normal user same as you all. Before and after I touching new item, I need to make sure I use sanitizer gel to kill all germs around this item that can bring from this item to my hand or from my hand to this item, something like that. Okay, this is my look if I ponytail my hair. Okay, a bit messy for my front hair. Before I going out, I need to wear mask. And how many masks that we can use? In this video, I have used mouth mask in black. I can say black mouth mask for my mask protection. Actually, on the packaging of this black mouth mask, it shows the information of how to use it and it washable and can use 2 to 3 times, something like that. But for me, I use only one time, then I threw away. Okay, when I going out, I always bring this sanitizer spray along with me. Keep it in my bag. I love to bring this sanitizer spray instead of sanitizer gel because it's multi-use. It can spray on my hand, spray on my skin, and spray on my bag or my item that I want to spray to kill all germs. Okay, then I going out or also inside home if I feel that I need to spray to kill the germs or I need to spray because I have new item in or new item over, or sometimes I spray it on the surface around the public area with this sanitizer spray. Okay, as per this video, I spray on the surface, spray on my table, or sometimes spray on my chair in the office, or everywhere that I think I need to spray, then I spray that. And how to spray, where to spray? Actually, I spray on the new item, the new place. Okay, this is all my protection kit that I used during COVID-19. And I still keep continue to use until now. And how about you? Actually, my video protection kit also go to the end now. And apologize me if I have introduced or informed anything that is wrong procedure or something like that, because I'm not a professional in this related field. I just show you my personal uses. Again, this is the last of my video. Thanks everyone for watching my video until the end. Bye bye.